Welcome to Coombe Coachworks. Established in 1970 and boasts that we still have team members that were here when the garage opened back then. We are a 10,000 square feet crash repair centre that has invested in the latest state-of-the-art equipment required to repair vehicles, as you'll see on this video. Our main aim is to return your vehicle to pre-accident condition. We will handle your claim from start to finish, dealing with your insurance company, and will assist setting up your claim, excess recovery, replacement vehicles, and the recovery of your vehicle. Don't forget, we also carry out servicing, tyre replacement, air conditioning recharging, four-wheel alignment and fixed price servicing. We consider ourselves as a one-stop shop for all of your vehicle requirements. Please contact us on 0208 641 0060